If you're wondering how the Icelandic notes look like, you've got Queen Victoria with sombrero hat. A cap.
No, it actually looks like.
Wait, why does it look like Shakespeare? What is going on, guys? New day, and guys, I bought a new hat. I was supposed to buy a new hat for Iceland to go with this fit, but unfortunately ASOS just delivered a little bit late. They delivered the day I arrived, but yeah, man's ill. What a purchase, £7, can't go wrong, goes with the fit. Alhamdulillah, we woke up. Anyway, it's gonna go to the Black Sand Beach in Vic and hopefully make a day out of it. Okay, safe. Guys, it's incredible scenes. Wow, at the top of Vic, it'd be By the way, guys, this is a reverse sensor that we're working with, yeah? Our cars don't have reverse sensors in it. Like, we're car to park reverse anyway. But if someone was to rely on this, anyways, we're just waiting for the rain to die. Guys, all I'm saying, yeah, if I reversed a little bit more, oh my god. But yeah, guys, look at that. Wow. Oh my god. Right, let's get it. I'm soaked. So obviously I got soaked and the drone stopped working. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm just cleaning it, drying it up now. Hopefully once it dries up, we'll be able to get it back up and running. So guys, like, we're two men with a beard. We have a bag that's beeping. Not really in our favor, is it? Drone messed up. The drone is kaput. The remote control keeps beeping. We don't know how to stop it. I don't know what to do. It's a £1,300 drone, like, it's not cheap. We have a beeping bag, that's my primary concern right now. But it is what it is. We're gonna head back home now. Guys, we have a random houses embedded into the actual rock. If you can see, literally embedded into the rock. This is a house. Hello guys, second last day here in Iceland. We've just gone to a shopping mall because the COVID test center is here. I didn't know, it's actually quite a nice shopping mall, isn't it? Quite a nice shopping mall. Giving me high cross vibes. Yeah, if you're from Leicester, you know. Quite like it. Okay, let me ask her. Guys, you know in Iceland, parking's just free, like, it's just free. So you know at high cross, right? You go in, you park, and then you gotta pay like £7 for 2 hours, right? Over here, everything's free, like parking's free. Do you realize how like convenient that is? Like, it's really convenient. And do you know what else is free? COVID tests. COVID tests are free. Okay.
You have to tell them properly. It's not just for the Icelandic people, even for the foreigners. It's free.
Free, completely free. Like, in the UK, you gotta pay at least 20 quid, £22 just for a rapid. And do you know what? No, do you know what? It's actually way cheaper because in the UK, for a self-swab test, you're looking at a minimum of £22. Over here, they do it for you and it's cheap and it's free. Like, it's just wow, man. And you know, you get tax-free shops.
Yeah, bro.
Wow.
Might as well just move here.
Realistically speaking, guys, we've not spent that much money. In what, 5 days so far, I've only spent £200. And that's fuel and another accommodation and food and bus travel. It's not been that expensive. No. Right, let's go get some gloves in it. Yeah. By the way, guys, yesterday, the tide took my glove away, or part of my glove away anyway. So I need to get new gloves. Yo. So today we're visiting the well-known church. Although we're Muslim, we decided to visit a church today, and I'll show you why. Like, wow, I don't know if you can see it, but that's a very nice church. Like, wow, like the photos we're gonna take, inshallah. Beautiful, man. Indeed. Wow, guys, like it looks so nice. I don't know if we're allowed to step on here. I don't know if they're graves, so I don't want to step on it, so I'm gonna go around out of respect. You know, we have to respect the dead, we have to respect the alive, we have to respect the in-betweeners. By that I mean people that are in a coma, like my drone. That's still stressing me out. Hello there. Do you want to say hi to the camera? You want to run away from me? Okay, safe. But yeah, guys, that's the church. Wow, very beautiful, mashallah. For a little bit of shopping because why not, right? What's it called? New Yorker. Very nice shop. Guys, we're back at the shawarma place. It's only right we come back to the place we started, isn't it?
It's only right.
It's only right, fam. It's Mandy. Never forget. Guys, what is going on? So right now we're at the airport, we're heading home. Guys, my luggage is actually mad. Like, it's just crazy. I'm so hot and boiling. But we're heading home now. We didn't vlog much towards the end, but just because we were so done out. But I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I hope you enjoyed the trip. I hope you enjoyed all the little things, the big things. I hope you enjoyed the B-roll. I hope you enjoyed the journey with us, man. We've enjoyed it a lot. For now, this is the end of the vlog. We hope you enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like. Comment what you think. Share it with your friends and family, your auntie from wherever she is. We're gonna be doing a lot more of these kind of videos. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching. Peace be upon you, and yeah, assalamu alaikum. Guys, so we've arrived to the UK, alhamdulillah. So I couldn't end the video without Ibi, wallahi, man, pleasure.
My pleasure.
Yeah, bro.
Come on.
Inshallah, you'll see us vlogging again next year. We're not gonna tell you where, but we already know where.
Soon come though.
Soon come. We're not gonna tell you where, but we already know. But yeah, guys,
okay.
That's the end of the vlog.
Yeah.
See you soon.